Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I already have my friend's tips applied and shaped up. These are just regular clear square tips, and I'm applying my dehydrator and primer. Her nails have already been prepped for application, so I'm just going in with my number 12 oval alpha brush, and I'm laying down a thin layer of clear acrylic all over her nails. This is going to act as a base to protect her natural nails and to prevent lifting. So after that, on her ring finger, I'm gonna do some purple, and this is from the Bang Good 24-piece set of Color Acrylics. I'll have it linked in the description box. So I'm just going to apply this all over her nail and encapsulate with clear.
Inside you, so won't you wake up now and see? Don't hide away the things you're feeling.
The rest of the acrylics I'm using in this set are all custom mixed. There's gonna be some nudes and some white and a kind of translucent pinkish acrylic. These are all mixed using Diva DC Cover Peach and clear acrylic, white acrylic, and a little bit of Bang Good acrylics too. But on this nail, I'm basically just doing a baby boomer using a cover nude and a milky white acrylic.
Inside you, so much more than people know. I've seen you fighting your emotion. I hope you stay and won't let go. There's a universe inside you, so much love to leave behind.
So on this nail, I'm using a little bit more of a translucent nude, and I'm just gonna cover up her natural nail and then encapsulate the rest of the nail with clear.
your own deception and learn to live another day. There's a universe inside you, your galaxy of happiness. I just wanna help you find it. We'll explore in baby steps. There's a universe inside you. You've gotta give it room to breathe. So let the universe excite you, 'cause that's the way it's meant to be.
So this is after file shaping and buffing. I forgot to click record, but all I did was put down a little bit of IBD Intense Seal on the purple nail, and now I'm burnishing in some holographic chrome from dailycharm.com, and then I'm going to dust away the excess and seal that in with IBD Intense Seal once again and cure. So I'm going to use a little bit of IBD Builder Gel to apply my stones. I ran out of my Zule's Bling adhesive, which is really tragic, but this is working for me, so I'm just going to stick with this for now. And I'm using a picker tool from Michaels. I'll have it linked down below. Once I have my stones in place, I will cure, and then I'm going to top coat with IBD Intense Seal, and I like doing this because it really holds my stones down for my heavy-handed clients. And I'm just gonna do something really simple. She works in a very professional corporate job, so we can't have too much bling going on. The really small Chanel CCs I got off Etsy a really long time ago. I think they're like cabochons or something like that, but I will try to find a link of something similar for you guys if you're interested in those. And I just applied those with Builder Gel as well. after curing, this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. If you're new, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!